Okay, so just got it in. This is my Athlon Talos scope, and my son trying not to impale himself. But ordered it earlier this week, and Aaron shipped it out. Post office just got here really late on a Saturday afternoon. I've walked out and checked the mail about 50 times. So let's see what an Athlon scope looks like coming out of the box.
Like Christmas.
It is like Christmas. Sorry, this is my first YouTube video, so we're just going to go with it that Tom's got a lot to learn, and I'm probably too close up on my son doing all this. Yay, it's open. Now gently open that box and let's see what it looks like. Okay. Hey, we got the biodegradable, not really, peanuts. Okay, there's a scope level in there and a few other little things, I think. Well, it's in there, nice and solid. That foam on the end is really holding that thing in. This is a Athlon Talos 4 to 14 by 44 first focal plane. It's the Talos BTR model. Okay. Battery for the illuminated reticle. It's right there. Comes with bikini style scope caps. Probably put some butlers on there just to have the flip ups. MK Machining Talos throw lever in there included, and also ordered the scope level you can see right there for the 30mm tube. So all in all, there's the turrets on it. Finish looks nice. Athlon 4 to 14 by 44. Yeah, my focus is not playing nicely.
What's on this?
There's a focus knob on the side. Illuminated reticle right there. Made in China. Not gonna lie, most everything nowadays is, but not gonna hold that against anybody. Well, there she is. Gonna put her back in the box until I get her mounted, which will be here in about 30 minutes. So hopefully I can give you guys some reviews on this scope here in the next few days.